Section 11.1 is all solving systems of equations. So I'm going to assume at this point that you've done enough in the past with two equations and two variables that we're not going to take specific notes anymore on that. But they have examples in the book if you need it. The thing that we do want to review is three equations and three variables. Okay, so looking at this one right here, number 17. What we're going to do, really our key is that we want to somehow get it down to two equations and two variables so that we can solve like you know how to. All right, so what you need to do is look at the three equations and do something that will, pick two of the equations and do something to eliminate one. Okay, so look at the three equations, pick two of them, and what can we do here to eliminate one? Suggestions? Okay. Bottom two. Okay, we can look at these bottom two equations and add them together to get rid of the y. Okay, so I'm just going to look at the two on the bottom. I'm going to show my work as well as I can this first time. Okay, so I'm picking these two on the bottom. I'm going to add them together. And then I've got 2x plus z equals negative 1. All right? Now, the next step is you need another equation that has only x and z in it. All right? So you need to pick two other equations, either the first and the second, or in the third, since we've already used the second and the third, and you have to do something that will eliminate the same variable. Okay, so you have to eliminate y again. So, for instance, if I look at the top two equations, right, I'll pick the top two and multiply the middle one by 2. Right? So I've got x plus 2y minus 3z equals 5. I'm multiplying this by 2, making it 2x minus 2y plus 4z equals negative 6. All right, so I'm going to add these together. 3x plus z equals negative 1. All right, so now I've got this equation and this equation, x and z only. Now I can do what we already know how to do, and that is solve using elimination probably, right? So maybe I will keep one of them the same and multiply the other one by negative 1. Add them together, and I get x equals 0. All right, so now we've got our first answer. Now we could plug 0 into one of these to solve for z. So now I've got 0 plus z equals negative 1, or z equals negative 1. So now I will plug both x and z back into one of our very original to solve for the third one, which is y. I'll just pick this bottom equation here. I've got 0 plus y minus negative 1 equals 2. So it appears that y is equal to 1. All right, so I've got our answer, 0, 1, negative 1. All right, let's try to utilize our participation. So I'm going to call on someone right now, and you are going to tell me what you would do at first on this next problem. Everybody ready? Yep. It's calling on Manny. What would you do first?
So you would
All right, let's do it. 3x minus 3z equals negative 6. All right. Now I'm going to call on someone else to tell me something else to do based on what Manny just did. It's calling on number 17. That's Jada. Would you like to tell me what to do next? And by the way, remember, there's not one possible way to do this, so it's what is a possible thing we could do next. So add the top two. Okay, I'm going to do that now, so that'll give us 5x plus 3z, oh that's good, isn't it, equals negative 2. We like how this is setting up for us. All right, now I'll call one more person to say what to do next. And what do you think here, Gio? We just add them right away, right? We don't even have to multiply an equation. Usually you'll have to do something to multiply one or both equations so that you could solve. It's set up really nicely for us. We have 8x equals negative 8. So Geo x is negative 1. Is that what you said? Oh, is that what you said? Okay. That's right. All right, and well, we could just keep going on this. Paige, what do you want to do now?
Plug the negative 1 into the top equation. The 3x minus
Ooh, all right.
3z equals
Right there?
Yep.
All right. So that'd be negative 3 minus 3z equals negative 6. What are you going to get?
Z equals 1.
Yeah, me too. And finally, Daniel, what do you want to do now? Oh yeah, you got to pick one for me. All right. So we've got negative 3 plus y plus 2 times what? That's 2 equals 1. Negative 1 plus y equals 1, so y equals 2. Negative 1, 2, 1. All right. I'm going to let you guys work on the assignment now. Done.